how to upload multiple videos on YouTube. Open YouTube and click on the camera icon and click on upload video. You can drag and drop your videos or you can select videos to upload. But I want to go with an easy procedure with you. I will click on select files and select all the videos that I wanna upload and click on open. Now you can see uploading 1 of 10, which means I uploaded multiple videos in one. Depending on your file size and speed of your internet connection matters here to upload faster. Uploads complete. Now you can see all my videos have been uploaded